My name is Hank Campbell. Thank you for joining me. In the 1970s, Stauffer Chemical Company employed us to prepare an economic analysis to determine the feasibility of converting waste heat from their Carson, California sulfuric acid chemical plant into electrical energy. Upon confirmation of the economic feasibility, we were commissioned to perform preliminary and final engineering, construction management, and startup engineering for a cogeneration facility. The overall concept of the project is to utilize waste heat from the sulfuric acid process to produce high-pressure steam for driving a steam turbine-driven electric power generator. Power generated from the facility is to furnish electricity for the acid plant. Excess electricity will be sold to Southern California Edison Company. Sulfuric acid is used by many industries. Some common ones are shown here. The Carson plant receives spent sulfuric acid from nearby petroleum refineries in the area and regenerates the spent acid utilizing the SATCO process shown in these slides. Stauffer Chemical Company has been purchased by Eco Energy Services, and they have upgraded the plant significantly, but they still utilize the same power generation equipment. In order to save substantial money, used equipment was proposed to Stauffer for equipment in the cogeneration facility. A plant was found in Troy, Ohio that was shut down, and the plant was purchased. All of the equipment therein was removed and sent to Carson, California to be rehabilitated and used in the new cogeneration plant. The equipment was shipped by rail from Troy, Ohio, completely across the country to Stauffer's Carson plant for reconditioning before installation. A waste heat boiler was purchased from Zern Energies, and once it arrived at the site, installation started immediately. It was erected and cut into the existing sulfuric acid system so the heat could be recovered. The concrete foundations for the reconditioned steam turbine generators were built, and the building around them once the generators were installed. Adjacent to the turbine generator building, a cinder block building was built for the electrical switchgear and transformation equipment. The cooling water basin was excavated and concrete poured before erecting the cooling tower on top, along with the reconditioned cooling water circulating pumps. Installation of the turbine generator and related equipment progressed after the steam turbine was reconditioned. The generator will produce up to 6 megawatts of electricity at 13,800 volts. The generator will operate in synchrony with the Southern California Edison system. A steam pipeline from the waste heat boiler operates at a pressure of 650 psi and delivers steam at superheated temperature of 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The cogeneration system produces sufficient electricity to provide 90% of the sulfuric acid plant electricity requirements, saving Stauffer up to $500,000 per year. The cogeneration system was put in operation in early 1976. Projects of this type provide reliable and uninterruptible energy for industry. Thank you for watching.